Ayo, what's up? I hope you're all doing well. It's your boy Cool J once again here with another video, another tutorial. This one is about how to use Autotune. How to use Autotune. So I'm aware that my previous video, as it was the first tutorial video, it didn't get positive feedbacks from you guys. Most of you were saying that the video was bad. I hope this one you're going to like it. I hope you're going to love it, and I hope you're going to find it very useful. So I'm going to show you how to use Autotune, or how to sound better using Autotune, right? So with me today, I'm using Autotune 8, but what I'm going to show you, or what I'm going to teach you, you can apply this method on every type of an Autotune. So this is the Autotune I'm using, Autotune 8. So the most important parts on Autotune, first is the scale. You have to choose which one you want to use. You can play around with major, minor, chromatic, and the rest are on the list. That's the first thing that you have to consider when you set up your Autotune. And then is the key. It will depend on the type of a tune you are using or type of your voice. So on this situation, I used key F, but it doesn't mean that every time when I record or when I master my songs or mix my songs, I will have to use key F. It will depend on the type of a song I'm doing and also on the voice or a tune I'm using. Then after you are done here, make sure you go to input type. You can choose your soprano, alto, tenor, low male, instrumental, bass, instrumental. So on this situation, or most of the time, I prefer using low male. So guys, before you get any further, make sure this is a must. Make sure that each and every time you're tracking, your tracking is on 100. It must be relaxed. You don't want to sound like an amateur artist who doesn't know what they're doing. After that, on every Autotune, it can be Autotune 4, Autotune 5, Autotune 3, Autotune 2, you will find pitch correction control. Now this is where the show go on. So the amount of your Autotune will be determined by the return speed, which I put 4 there on this case. So on your case, you can put it to 0, you can put it to 20, you can put it to 8, you can put it to 30, depending on how much you want your Autotune to be heard. If you want to sound like T-Pain, of course, you're going to put it on 0. So this is where you play around with it. Right? Correct. And then you can play with your humanizer there and your correction style. Okay. So far, this is my setup, and I'm going to play the audio to show you how it sounds. So there on create vibrato, I always say no vibrato. That's why you're finding these scales on 0. You can find the rate on 0, onset delay on 0, onset rate on 0, vibration on 0. So the pitch amount at all times, I make sure that is on 0. I hope you can see the pitch amount here. The pitch amount here. And then my amplitude amount, I always put it on 10 or 18. And then my format amount, I always put on 70 or 80, depending on the type of song I'm making. So at this moment, I'm not making a trap song. That's why you find out most of the volumes or ratios are a little bit low. But if it was making a trap song, the situation was going to be different. So first, I'm going to play you this vocal without an Autotune, and then later on, I'm gonna play the vocal with an Autotune. Right? Let's listen to a vocal without an Autotune. If you can check here, the Autotune is been muted or switched off. So let's play. And that's all gotta take. That's all gotta take, yeah, yeah. Just one night, one day, one kiss, one hug, then the girl will be mine. Just one night, one day, one hug, one kiss, then the girl will be mine. Okay, you heard my voice, kind of a little bit bad without an auto tune. I'm not quite a good singer. So now we are going to play this vocal with an auto tune on. So let's turn on our auto tune. The auto tune is on now. So let's play. And that's all gotta take. That's all gotta take, yeah, yeah. Just one night, one day, one kiss, one hug, then the girl will be mine. Just one night, one day, one hug, one kiss, then the girl will be mine. Okay, I hope we are getting somewhere or we are learning something. I just want to play you this vocal without an instrumental so that you can hear the auto tune. And that's all gotta take. And that's all gotta take, yeah, yeah. I hope you guys you will find this video productive and helpful. If you like my video, if you like what I just did, please don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends on social medias and all other different digital platforms. So thank you so much. My name is Cool J once again. Next time I'll find you a better camera and a better microphone. I'll stay well. I love you so much. You can comment on the comment box below and ask your questions, any questions about Cubase or mastering and mixing any song, any type of genre. I got you. Holla.